everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to just be doing this really quick, kind of like a throwback to a 90s classic look, a little bit more focus on kind of a different kind of winged liner and a focus on the lip with a little bit more on the lip liner being the focus. How many times can I say focus? So if you want to see how I created this look, please continue to watch, like, and subscribe, and let's get started. I'm going to be using the Ouija palette by Hip Dot. This has so many incredible colors, but I'm going to start off with Paranormal. This is a really nice, like mid-tone silver, and I'm going to go in just with my fingertip because I want to apply it really fast. And since it's a frost, it already blends out pretty well. So I find using the fingertips for this works the best. But you can go in with a brush or like a firm brush, but I like fingertips. So I spread that all over my lid first, bring it a little bit into the crease, and I also pull it out. And now I'm just using, same finger, just the side of it to go underneath my lash line, my bottom lashes. And then just blend out with what you have left on your finger. So that gives a nice, like, overall nice smoky look. Next, I'm going in with a small angle brush. Just go cross-eyed. I'm going in with the small angle brush by Prado's Beauty. And this color right here, which is called Goodbye, which is a nice matte black. I love a palette that comes with a matte black. I start in the outer corner a little bit onto my upper lash line. I don't want the liner to go up. I want it to go more out. So I really want to elongate the eye. So just follow, keep looking at the other side so that one isn't like too high and the other's too low, because then that's gonna change the shape of your eye. So that's the only part I find that's a little bit more challenging to a liner look. And just pull that straight out. Make sure that they're pretty much the same. If you find that the liner is getting a little too thick towards the end and you want it to taper, you can go in with a Q-tip, you can go in with your fingertip, and just gently pinch that line. Same color, same brush. I'm going onto the inner corner right here on the bottom lash line. I want to bring that inner corner in just a little bit because I want the liner to go in and out. I'm going into the inner membrane as well. So just a little bit right there. Same product, same color, same brush. I'm gently going into the inner membrane closest to the lash line so you don't get it into your eye. If you find that you're a little bit more sensitive, then you can go in with just like a black pencil liner that's tested for that area. I like a powder shadow inside there because I'm not too sensitive. I clean my brushes and the product, so I never really have a problem. Now I am going a little bit underneath the lash line, and I'm gonna connect to that wing. So the wing isn't on the top, it's more on the bottom. The thickness is a little bit more on the bottom. And I go back and forth between eyes because if I find one gets away from me, I have to balance it out. So you go in with a strategy, but more times than not, it's gonna change a little bit with what happens when you're doing your makeup, which is fine. You just have to roll with it. I already have a little bit of mascara on, but the mascara that I'm using today is Lash Princess by Essence. Such a good mascara. It goes on so fast and so thick. It's like $4 from the drugstore. This is one of the best mascaras that I've found. And just load up your top and bottom. Next, I'm going in with Davis by Woma Beauty. This is like a mid-tone brown. I want it to be a little bit darker because I want the liner to be the focus. I'm going just a little bit above my natural lip line. I have my lips tattooed, that's why it looks like I already have something down. And usually I'll blur the lip line, but I want this to be a little bit more of like a 90s look, so I'm gonna keep it a little bit more perfected. I put a little bit down at a time and then I'll build up the color. That way I have a little bit more confidence rather than going in full force and it not being symmetrical. So I'll do like a couple of go rounds. Just to get it nice and dark. I'm going in with, this is Bare Pink by Laura Mercier. I chose this one because it's a little bit lighter than my lip tone and I want the contrast to be a little bit more significant. I'm not going over the lip line, I'm just keeping it inside the lip line. That way you don't have to worry about it blending together. It's gonna stay more of that perfected lip line and it won't start to travel. If you find that your lip liner or your lip color goes into like fine lines, try to keep the more emulsified product away from it. There you go. So there you have it. I already did my foundation and everything. I have other videos where I go step by step through skincare and foundation, so you can check those out. So this is just mainly a focus on the eye and the lip. I love this because it's like a kickback to like a more of a like a 90s look. I love a good like silver smoky eye. I find it's very 90s, but it's also very 60s. I find they like play off of each other pretty well. But there you have it. I link all of the products in the description box below so you can check those out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you tried this look out. And if you want to see any other tutorials by me, please let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.